Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna review the Lefant M320 robot vacuum, the smallest robot vacuum I've ever tested. Curious if this affordable little gadget can keep your home clean? Stick around to find out all the pros and cons before making a decision. Let's jump right into it, starting with the cons. I know your time is precious, so let's get those potential deal breakers out of the way first. Noise level. The Lefant M320 has a suction power of 6,000 pascals. Generally speaking, the greater the suction power, the louder the noise. If you're used to the quieter, newer models, you might find this robot a bit disruptive. However, considering its powerful suction, this noise level is relatively reasonable. If you usually run your vacuum while you're out or in another room, this might not be a significant issue. Mapping issues. Since the M320 is not a LiDAR type vacuum cleaner, it cannot save maps. It has an automatic mapping feature while working, which means you can view live maps as it cleans, but it cannot save these maps. After the M320 completes cleaning, you can view the cleaning map records in the app. This live mapping is handy to see the areas it has covered, but if you rely heavily on saved maps for zone cleaning or scheduling specific rooms, this might be a drawback. Mopping feature. This robot vac uses a magnetic mop holder, which can adapt to any form of mop as long as it can be firmly attached to the holder. This allows you to reuse disposable face towels or kitchen wipes, making it environmentally friendly and cost-effective. However, the mopping function is not very powerful. It's more like dragging a slightly damp cloth around rather than giving your floors a thorough clean. If you need a robot vacuum primarily for mopping, you might want to look for models with more advanced mopping capabilities. Power and brushes. This robot vac features a brushless suction port, which prevents hair from getting tangled, a significant advantage, especially for homes with pets or long-haired individuals. While the side brushes can get tangled with hair, this is a common issue for all robot vacuums, not just the Lefant M320. The absence of a main brush means there's less maintenance required, but it also relies solely on suction to pick up dirt. For homes with a lot of carpet, this may not be as effective as a model with a main brush. Carpet detection. This robot has a smart carpet detection feature. When the magnetic mop support is not installed, the suction power automatically increases on carpets for better cleaning. When the mop support is installed, the vacuum will avoid carpets to prevent getting them wet. This is a thoughtful feature that ensures your carpets are cleaned thoroughly when needed and protected when the mopping function is in use. However, keep in mind that the suction increase on carpets might still not match the deep cleaning capabilities of some more powerful brush-equipped models. This Lefant robot vac performs very well on hard floors, but its performance on carpets is not as good as a robot vacuum with a main brush. Now that we've covered the cons, let's move on to the good stuff. Here are the pros that might just make this robot vacuum the right choice for you. Easy app setup. The app is super easy to set up and very intuitive. You can schedule cleanings, switch modes, adjust suction power, and more with just a few taps. The user-friendly interface makes it accessible even for those who are not very tech-savvy. It's great to have so much control at your fingertips, and the app's real-time notifications keep you informed about the vacuum's status and any issues it encounters. Compact size. This robot vacuum is smaller than many others, which means it can get into places that bigger vacuums can't. Perfect for tight spaces and under furniture like chairs and nightstands. Its compact design allows it to navigate through narrow passages and under low clearance furniture, ensuring a more thorough clean in areas that often get overlooked. This is particularly useful in apartments or homes with lots of furniture. So, is the Lefant the right robot vacuum for you? If you're looking for an affordable option with decent features and you don't mind a bit of noise or the basic mopping function, it might be just what you need. The compact size, easy app setup, and effective obstacle avoidance are standout features that make it a strong contender in the budget-friendly category. This means fewer collisions and smarter navigation. Its advanced sensors help it maneuver around furniture and other obstacles particles, reducing the chances of it getting stuck or causing damage. It can detect black, stainless steel, and transparent objects, which some other vacuums can't. It's surprisingly good at avoiding obstacles. I really like the design. It's sleek and modern, and you can easily see how much dirt it has collected, so you know when it's time to empty it. The transparent dustbin is a nice touch, allowing you to monitor its progress and ensure optimal performance. Plus, its aesthetic appeal means it won't look out of place in a modern home. HEPA filters. It comes with a HEPA filter and an extra one in the box. These filters are fantastic for people with allergies as they trap small particles like dust, pollen, and pet dander, improving your indoor air quality. Having an extra filter means you can always have one ready while the other is being cleaned or replaced, ensuring continuous, effective filtration. Affordability. It's quite affordable compared to other models on the market, making it a great option if you're budget conscious. You get a decent set of features without breaking the bank. For those looking to get into the world of robot vacuums without investing a lot of money, this robot vac offers excellent value. If you're interested, I linked this robot vac below in the description. If you found this review helpful and informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.